Hello, this is Douglas Robinson, and today we're going to be looking at how to open various aspects of the Cherwell Service Management Client application in new Windows. Now, I'm sure many of you, if you've been users, have noticed that under the File menu there is a New Window option which will create a new window and go to your default dashboard. However, today we're going to be looking at the other ways that you can shortcut into a new window if you need to go somewhere in your Cherwell application and not lose where you're at in the current window. Now, starting from the main dashboard, we can drill down into many of these different widgets on this dashboard, and when we do so, we'll be directed to the actual records lists that would be returned from those widgets. However, if we needed to, we could also pop them open into a new window. And the way that we do this is going to be the way that we get through various other aspects of Cherwell into a new window, is we're going to hold down the Shift key when we click on those widgets. So I'm going to open up the on-screen keyboard so you can see what I'm doing. We can see that if I hold down the Shift key and then double click on a widget here, in just a second, Cherwell pops open and it goes to the same search results list that I would have had returned if I had double clicked on the widget directly on the dashboard. And all that's different is that I'm pressing down the Shift key while I'm clicking on that. I can also achieve similar results if I want to look at an incident or another child object under, let's say, a customer. So if I go to one of our customers that's in the system, let's say Lucas Sato, and I want to look at his last resolved incident, I can either quick view into that incident, or I could go directly to that incident using the Go To button. But if for some reason I wanted to stay on that customer record in its own window and then have the incident pop open into a new window, all I would have to do is hold down the Shift key while pressing the Go To button, and it would open up that record in a new window. This can be very useful if you are multitasking within Cherwell and you don't want to keep moving back and forth between different records. Also, if you are an administrator, you may find it useful to, while you are testing out an incident or other record that you are working with, you may find it useful to open up the table management window in a new window. You can do that the same way. Just press down Shift while you click Table Management, and it will pop open in a new window just like the others do, and you can go about your day walking through the different tables that you have available to you in Table Management. And that is about it. Now, it looks like if you wanted to open up a dashboard by going to the Dashboard Manager and holding down Shift and clicking on that dashboard, it would not open in a new window. That is one area that will open in the current window. You won't get that one to open in a new one. However, if you're clicking on a link, such as these links that are on this dashboard, by default, if you click on a link here while you're holding the Shift key, it will open in a new window. So just something to be aware of. If you pick out something from the Dashboard Manager, then it will open in the current window. However, if for some reason you're clicking on it from the task pane and you hold down Shift, that'll open in a new one. Now, some of these in the task pane might work. However, one-steps definitely will not launch under a new window. This is usually going to be limited just to actions on a dashboard, opening up child objects from a parent record through a tab, or opening up table management. This has been a video on how to open up aspects of Cherwell in a new window. If you'd like to see other videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/beyond20llc. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.